Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, Reggae Girlz head coach Lauren Donaldson is expressing confidence ahead of this evening's friendly international against Paraguay at the Montego Bay Sports Complex in Catherine Hall. But although confident, Donaldson says he's expecting a tough match against a South American team.
Paraguay have games in a few months, important World Cup games. I know Paraguay is going to be very difficult to break down. So we have to take our chances when we get them. And we have to be patient at times going through that process, trying to break them down. So ball possession in certain areas of the field will be very, very important. The condition of the field will also determine how we play. You know, how we're going to play out of the back a lot. Surface is usually a factor, but we have to be ready to take our chances because it's not going to be an easy game.
Donaldson adds that they will also be approaching the game differently, with some key players either playing reduced minutes or just one of the games. Now, the first round of the Asa Walker Cup continues today with 3 matches following the qualification of defending champion St. Catherine High on Wednesday. At the Spanish Town Prison Oval, Jonathan Grant opposed Tivoli Gardens, while at St. George's College, Excelsior take on Norman Manley, while Campion College and Jose Marti High battle at Calabar High School. The matches are set to kick off at 3 p.m. The winners will be joined by St. George's College, Charlie Smith, Haile Selassie and Wolmer's Boys in the next round. And national chess champion FIDE master Shreya Smith won the premier category of the Andreas Vasquez International Tournament held recently in Cuba, facing strong regional competition with players from Cuba, the Dominican Republic, Mexico and Guatemala. Smith won on tiebreak with 6 points from 9 games. Smith performed brilliantly in defeating 2 of the international masters he played. Starting as the 6th seed, he defeated both the 2nd and 3rd seeds in the tournament on his way to victory. Cuba's FIDE master Jesus Perez finished 2nd, also on 6 points, and international master Alejandro Diaz was 3rd with 5.5 points. Now to cricket, the Jamaica Scorpions will qualify for the semi-finals of the Cricket West Indies Regional Super 50 Cup competition should they win their 2 remaining matches after the Leeward Islands Hurricanes defeated the West Indies Academy on Wednesday at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in Antigua, and they won by 4 wickets. The Academy team was dismissed for 211 with 73 from Joshua James and 44 from Akeem Ogis against 4 for 39 from Kofi James. The Hurricanes were reeling at 94 for 5, but an 81-run 6th wicket stand between captain Jamar Hamilton 91 not out and Hayden Walsh 26 propelled the hosts to victory. Now the win extended the Hurricanes' lead at the top of the zone with 14 points, 6 ahead of Jamaica, who can move to a maximum of 16 and better the maximum potential of Barbados 14 and the Academy 12 with 2 matches each to play. The Scorpions take on the Hurricanes on Friday at the Coolidge Stadium. And further afield, England will take on Pakistan in the final of the ICC T20 World Cup on Sunday after hammering India by 10 wickets in today's second semi-final at the Adelaide Oval. Despite Hardik Pandya's 63 and Virat Kohli 50, India posted a modest 168 for 6 after they were sent to bat. Captain Rohit Sharma also made 27 against Chris Jordan 3 for 43. In their run chase, openers Joss Butler and Alex Hales led an assault on the attack as they blitzed their way to 170 without loss with 4 overs to spare. Hales slammed 4 fours and 7 sixes in his top score of 86, while Captain Butler cracked 9 fours and 3 sixes in his 80. The partnership was the highest ever in a T20 World Cup for any wicket. 2010 champions England will now take on 2009 champions Pakistan at the Melbourne Cricket Ground on Sunday, with the winner joining the West Indies as the only 2-time winners of the competition. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamila, it's back to you.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamila Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.